No, stop. God. It's okay. Don't cry. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Bob Too Funny. Area ta. Guys, this young lady here has been my friend for a while, not just close friend. We've been chatting online for a long while. Actually, the truth is that she told me some certain things that things they happen for this life. Oh. Okay, she watched a video of me reconciling. You guys know that video, Victor and his mother. In fact, first of all, tell them your name. Euphemia. And a young man here. Ajima. Okay, guys, I don't know how to put this story. It's a bit. Let me just go straight to the point. I'm free, right? Okay. This young lady told me that her elder sister had an affair. Had an affair with her ex-boyfriend. So for that reason, when did this happen?
That was last year.
This made her to break up with her ex-boyfriend, and she has been in enmity with that her sister. They have been quarreling for 9 months, 9 to 10 months now. Yes, that was what she told me. And now, that sister of ours has been begging her for forgiveness. She'll be traveling to Xmas this for New Year, right? Yeah. And two things are involved. According to what she told me, it is either when she travels home to the village, she's going to meet her elder sister. It is either they create more enmity or they reconcile. So she has called me as a good family pranker, you guys know me, to prank her sister, to know if really her sister has repented from that attitude, so that if she goes to village, she can reconcile with her, or to know if the sister is still bad, so that if she goes to village, she will avoid her and go her way. So for that reason, you guys have seen me. I am here. I called her, say, come. I asked her whether she has a new boyfriend. She said yes. I said, oh yeah, come with him. Are you ready now? I want to prank your sister. I want to prank her now. Yeah. You have a number?
No.
Oh, when this guy David, she don't even want me as sister near. Okay, but she knows you, ba?
Yeah.
She knows you.
Just hello, hi.
Okay. I want you to get your sister's number. I want him to call your sister. Bro, I want me you check him. Check that her sister. If she still loves her sister, if she has really repented, she not go agree you. But if she accepts you, then be say, I think this. I thought about this in my house. I thought about it. I think this is the best way. As long as she knows you. No, don't worry. Guy, if you won't do anything with the sister after they call.
I go just delete them now.
Good. So
now my word best be this.
My word best. Oh yeah, call her. Check him full time.
Give me the number.
Okay, give him your sister's number.
081 67.
That is Mona. Mona, calm down. Mona, relax.
4. Yeah.
Call him. Put up a loudspeaker.
Okay.
Omo. Now we go know whether the girl has changed.
Hello, babe.
Yeah, good evening.
How far?
I'm fine.
Do you know whom you are with?
Nope.
Is Ajima.
Oh my God.
How far?
Wow.
Fine. Happy Xmas.
I wish you the best. Excellent.
You're welcome. Actually, there's this feeling that I've been nursing for a while. I don't know how to say it out because I don't want in a situation whereby after the whole thing, you will see me and maybe I'm trying to commit something like incest, something of that nature. And the feeling is that I've been having a deep feeling for you.
Okay.
And I don't know. Your sister has been a kind of barrier to that because I don't want your sister to know what to say.
Actually, even me, I have been crushing on you. I don't want to be upset. I have been crushing on you actually. And sometimes I just think sort of like, what are you doing with my sister? She's a small girl and she has plenty boyfriends. Like she has boyfriends.
Like, are you for real? Actually, Actually, that one is, by the way. What I'm talking about now is that I told your sister that I'll be traveling to the village for Xmas. So she now said, okay. So she will not be in my house for the maybe 2 days now. So I don't know if it will be possible for us to have a date, see, talk, that kind of thing.
I'll be very, very glad. Like, is it today, like now?
Not actually. I'm in a place now. I went for a meeting, so I know fully well that when I'm done, I will call you. Maybe we'll have a particular place to stay.
Okay, no problem. That means you'll be in a hotel, right?
Something like that. After the reggae, play the blues. Now, we first of all catch cruise before any other thing.
Okay, no problem. It's not that I want to hurt my sister. No, it's just that I just like you. I like you, and I've been looking for opportunities.
No,
I don't know what to say, but I'll be very, very glad.
no problem. The thing there is that I will call you in the evening, later in the day, before sunset, so that we'll see and talk. Maybe we can now confess our feelings to each other.
Okay. Okay, no problem. I can't just wait. I can't wait. I'm very excited. I can't wait.
No problem.
Can I say I love you?
Same here.
Thank you. I love you and I do. Yes, I do.
Thank you. Until then, stay safe and stay out of problem. Bye.
God! Wait. Now you tell me this. My God.
This is the same girl. I remember the last problem she had. She was arrested. I bailed her with my 50K. This is my senior sister. God.
Jesus. It's okay. No, stop. God. It's okay. Don't cry. I beg. Jesus. Like, I don't understand. Guys, this one choke me. See, I didn't say you should hate your sisters or what. Like, I wanted to connect these people together, but this one is more than connection. I am advising all the ladies, please be very careful. As much as you love your sisters, make sure you don't allow your man or your husband to be very free to your sisters. It's a normal thing. It normally occurs. Because I've seen issues whereby a sister went to her sister's house and was having an affair with the sister's husband. Please, guys, be very careful. Ladies, be very careful. It's a very big lesson to you. Love your sisters, but be wise. No, it's okay.
Don't wait.
Hi, Jesus.
Like, you don't know. Like, I've thought about Jesus Christ.
She's crying,
God.
guys. She's crying. Camera, you get her.
I am fucked up.
It's okay. No, you're not.
Jesus.
You're not.
I can't believe this guy.
You're not. It's okay.
Do you know what I've done for this?
I understand.
I have laid down my life for this bitch.
It's okay. It's fine. It's fine.
Fuck.
It's fine.
Jesus.
It's fine.
I never had a sister all this while.
It's fine.
Jesus Christ.
This one, I don't just know what to say.
And now the second one.
It's okay.
Is it that she don't love me as a
It's okay.
sister?
It's fine. It's fine.
Oh, wow.
Don't.
Say you like them, oh yeah, share them. Just like, now comment and share. Do it for me now. So.
What be this?